Hello guys, today we are making tomato chutney. It is so simple, you can make it too. Let's begin. Today's first ingredients are 4 tomatoes. Next, we will need 2 green chilies, 2 onions, and 2 red burnt peppers. And 2 pinches of salt. Another main ingredient is mustard oil. First, chop the onions. Second, let's chop the green chilies. Mash the red chili peppers. Put them on the side. Now place a rack for your tomatoes. Place the tomatoes on the rack. Burn the skin off of the tomatoes. After they are burned off, put the tomatoes on the side. Cut the tomatoes until they are mashed. Let's add our 2 pinches of salt. Our onions, green chilies, and the red burnt peppers. Now about 3 teaspoons of mustard oil will do. With a spoon or your hand, mix all the ingredients together. Almost done! Our delicious tomato chutney is all ready. Enjoy every spoonful. Thank you everyone. Please share my video if you liked it and subscribe to our channel R&N. Thank you.